Hey there, have you ever stopped and thought about how much smarter the world is getting around you? What if I told you that artificial intelligence, or AI, is already working in the background of your daily life? That's right, AI is already part of your routine, shaping how you live, work, and play. In today's video, I'm going to show you how AI is seamlessly woven into everyday activities, and you might not even realize it. From the apps you use to how you communicate, AI is helping make your life easier and more efficient than ever before. Let's dive in. You might think of AI as something futuristic or complex, like robots or self-driving cars, but the truth is, it's already playing a huge role in your daily life. In fact, AI is everywhere. Whether you're using your phone, browsing the web, or even driving your car, AI is working behind the scenes to make things run smoothly. Today, I'll walk you through some of the most common and powerful ways AI is already improving your life without you even noticing. Let's take a closer look. 1. Voice assistants. Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa, these devices are powered by AI to understand your voice commands and provide intelligent responses. When you ask your voice assistant to set an alarm, send a text, or check the weather, AI is working behind the scenes to process your speech, analyze it, and provide accurate responses. This is done using something called natural language processing, NLP, which allows machines to understand human language and even follow complex commands. These voice assistants make everyday tasks more efficient and hands-free, saving you time and effort. 2. Smart messaging. AI is also making communication faster and smarter through predictive text and smart replies. If you use Gmail, Outlook, or even apps like WhatsApp or iMessage, AI is analyzing your messages to predict and suggest words or entire sentences. For example, Gmail's Smart Compose feature uses machine learning to predict the next part of your sentence based on the context of your email. This saves time and allows you to type less while still conveying your message effectively. You've probably also noticed automatic text replies, those short, suggested responses like, "Thanks," or "Sounds good." This is another way AI is simplifying communication. 3. Speech to text. Another common AI tool is speech to text. Whether you're using Google Docs, iPhone's dictation feature, or voice typing in Microsoft Word, AI is converting your spoken words into written text in real time. This is a great productivity booster, especially for those who prefer to speak instead of type. The AI listens to your speech, recognizes the words, and then transcribes them accurately. Over time, these tools get smarter and adapt to your voice, accents, and even the pace at which you speak. It's not just for dictating emails, it's used in meetings, lectures, or even voice notes for quick reminders. 4. Task management. Now, let's talk about AI in productivity. You've probably used task management apps like Todoist, Trello, or Asana. These apps not only help you stay organized but also incorporate AI to make your workflow more efficient. For instance, AI can prioritize tasks for you based on deadlines, your past behavior, or how urgent certain activities are. Some apps even use machine learning to suggest the best time for you to tackle a particular task, helping you manage your time and increase productivity without even having to think about it. 5. Calendar scheduling. One of the most underappreciated uses of AI is in your calendar. Whether you use Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Microsoft Outlook, AI is playing a role in scheduling your appointments and meetings. These smart calendars not only suggest times based on your availability but can also suggest meeting times that work best for everyone involved, taking into account time zones, your meeting history, and preferences. For example, Google Calendar's Find a Time feature automatically adjusts your schedule by comparing it with others, helping you avoid double booking and time conflicts. This minimizes the back and forth emails or messages trying to figure out the best time to meet. 6. Personalized recommendations. Another productivity-enhancing feature powered by AI is personalized recommendations. Think of apps like Spotify, Netflix, or even Amazon, where the platform suggests content based on your past activity. These apps are continuously learning from your preferences, whether it's the type of music you listen to, the shows you watch, or even the products you buy. Using machine learning algorithms, these platforms analyze your behavior and suggest content you're most likely to enjoy. The more you engage with the platform, the more tailored your recommendations become, saving you time searching for what to watch or listen to next. 7. Email sorting. How many of you have a cluttered inbox? Well, AI is making email management more manageable than ever. Gmail's Priority Inbox and Outlook's Focused Inbox use AI to sort your emails, filtering out spam and organizing important messages. These tools track your reading habits and interactions with your emails to automatically sort incoming mail based on what's most important. Over time, the AI learns what emails matter to you and adjusts its filtering process, ensuring you're never overwhelmed by clutter. 8. Online shopping. Online shopping is another area where AI is making a huge impact. If you've ever shopped on Amazon, eBay, or any other e-commerce site, you've experienced the power of AI through personalized product recommendations. Based on your browsing history, past purchases, and search queries, AI algorithms predict what you might like to buy next. These recommendations get smarter over time, continuously adapting to your preferences and even alerting you to sales or new arrivals that match your style. AI is also used in virtual fitting rooms or to suggest similar products, helping you make better purchasing decisions. 9. Smart ads. Speaking of shopping, let's talk about AI-driven advertising. You've probably noticed that after browsing a product, you'll start seeing ads for it on social media or other websites. This is called retargeting, and it's powered by AI. The AI tracks your browsing behavior and uses that data to serve you relevant ads. But it doesn't stop there. AI also helps platforms like Facebook and Google Ads show you personalized ads based on your interests, search history, and even demographic data. This makes ads more relevant and, as a result, more likely to catch your attention. 10. Streaming services. If you use streaming platforms like Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube, AI is working hard behind the scenes to optimize your experience. These platforms use machine learning algorithms to suggest content based on your preferences, making it easier to discover new shows, movies, or music. AI also helps optimize video quality, adjusting the resolution based on your internet speed, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted experience, whether you're watching a documentary or listening to a playlist. 11. Fitness apps. Let's shift gears and talk about how AI is helping with health and fitness. If you use a fitness app like MyFitnessPal, Fitbit, or Strava, you're benefiting from AI that helps track your workouts, eating habits, and overall health. These apps use machine learning to analyze your data, like steps, calories burned, and even sleep patterns, and offer personalized recommendations. For instance, they might suggest changes to your diet or new workouts to help you achieve your fitness goals more effectively. The AI can adapt as you improve, continuously refining its recommendations. 12. Wearables. Wearable devices, such as the Apple Watch, Fitbit, or Whoop, use AI to monitor your physical activity and provide real-time feedback. They track things like heart rate, steps, sleep cycles, and even stress levels. AI algorithms analyze this data to offer personalized insights into your overall health. For example, your smartwatch might suggest that you take a walk if it notices you've been sedentary for too long, or it could recommend breathing exercises if it detects elevated stress levels. 13. Mental health. AI is also making strides in mental health. Apps like Wiser, Wobot, or Youper use AI to offer support for mental well-being. These apps act like digital therapists, offering cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and mental wellness check-ins. AI helps these platforms understand patterns in your emotions and responses, offering advice or suggesting coping strategies. It's a valuable resource, especially for individuals who might not have immediate access to a therapist but still need support in managing stress, anxiety, or depression. 14. Navigation apps. AI is also transforming transportation. If you've ever used Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps to get around, you've used AI. These apps use machine learning algorithms to analyze real-time traffic data, road conditions, and even accidents to find the fastest route. The more you use them, the more accurate they become at predicting the best routes, factoring in things like time of day, weather conditions, and your driving habits. 15. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars might still feel like a futuristic dream, but the technology behind them is powered by AI. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and others are using AI to enable cars to drive autonomously. The AI processes data from cameras, sensors, and radar to understand the environment, make decisions, and navigate roads safely. While fully autonomous vehicles are still being tested, many modern cars already feature AI-powered systems like lane assistance, automatic braking, and adaptive cruise control. As you can see, AI is already deeply integrated into our lives in ways we might not even realize. From enhancing communication to optimizing productivity, making shopping easier, improving health, and transforming how we get around, AI is working in the background to make things better, faster, and smarter. It's revolutionizing the way we live, and it's only going to become more ubiquitous. So next time you use your voice assistant, navigate traffic, or get personalized recommendations, remember, it's AI making things easier for you. 1. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on how AI is shaping our world. And let me know in the comments how you've noticed AI in your daily life.